Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google app keeps crashing. If the Google app keeps crashing on your phone, it's usually caused by a software bug, outdated app version, corrupted cache, or a problem with your device. So here are the best ways to fix it. So first is to clear the Google app cache. So open Google app, then tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap settings in the top right corner. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security and click Privacy and Safety. Now, under Activity, at the top, select Clear App History, then click Clear All. Next, select Clear Cookies and click Clear All. Then, once done, go back to the main page and try again and see if that works. Next is to force stop the Google app. So, go to your phone settings. So open settings, then scroll down and go to general, then go to iPhone storage. Now in here, scroll down and select Google, then select offload app, then confirm it. So this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. So click reinstall app and just wait for it to finish. And once done, open Google app again and see if that works. Next is to check your internet connection. So open settings and go to Wi-Fi, then switch to another stable Wi-Fi connection, or you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. You can also restart your router if you're using Wi-Fi, then open Google again and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.